Welcome back again. Welcome back. Get some friends. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello, how are y'all doing? Fine, I hope. It is Thursday, March 3rd, which I am going to start my maintenance week. And to start off this week, I am going to show you this wig. I am going to give you some facts, details, and the company name because we got to do maintenance week. So let's get into it. So this wig is from Hair Company on Amazon. It is their Melt Like Skin Transparent Lace Wig, 13 by 4 in 20 inches. Now, I do not bring y'all a wig review that I did not wear the hair to. So I had to install the hair, I had to wear the hair, and this is a natural body wave texture. There is no product, there is no water. I did absolutely nothing to this hair. I just did my part, my wax stick, laid it down, and she's ready to go. Okay. Now, it does come with a band if you don't want to sew it. It's already in there for you. It comes with the elastic band as well, and it also comes with 4 combs. Okay. Now, do I recommend this wig? Yes. And I'm going to tell you why. Do you see that right there? Do you see that? That's scalp. That black thing you see right there, baby, that is my wig grip. Now, I recommend this wig. I do. It's a little thin, but it's very good quality. Now, this is for my people who got it and for my people who don't. If this wig is pricey, for 20 inches, it's $206. I repeat that. It's $206 for 20 inches. So, y'all know me. I was going to do 285, but I said, you know what? I want to try it. Maintenance week coming. I got y'all. So that's why I did it. Now, it's very good. It's a body wave wig at that. So it's very cute. But I'm in the bedroom here, so this is right up my alley. Like, throw her on and go up, up, up the alley. Do you see? And then the, the do you see? That's me, baby. That's me. So I made my part where I wanted it, and then look at how deep of a part I got. Like, do you really see that without no tricks? Now, you filing these taxes, you getting some of this tax money, invest in yourself. Invest in a wig if you need a wig. If you don't know how to install, invest in having somebody install it for you over multiple of times. Because baby, this is some good hair. And I know she's gonna be in my collection for a while. Trust me. But again, this is that bed bedroom look I'm looking for. See? She comes to my bust area. I need to hot comb that part right there. But other than that, baby, I did a flip over method. And I actually tacked it down to sleeping last night. But baby, I, I even try baby hairs, y'all. And y'all know I don't do baby hairs. But This wig is an investment. So whether you a mom, a student, or whatever, baby, this is an investment. I'm here to tell you, invest. So this is part one of maintenance week. We will be doing lashes tomorrow, nails tomorrow, petty Saturday. So I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed, not stressed. Later, love.